action time, everybody. I've been working on stuff, so I don't want you to think I disappeared. I said I was going to have 2 shows a week, but I've been working on stuff. I'm going to give you guys 7 under 1 minute videos. They're going to be all shorts. I'm going to put them on for 7 days, and I want you to tell your friends to watch them because I think they're pretty good. I'm not talking at all. I just got music going. I got some pretty good songs going. So I'm working on it. Right now I have 4 done. I have to do 2 more, 3 more, because 4 and 3 is 7. Karen was giving me the fingers over there. So that's right. That's right, Karen said. And a couple of shout-outs for you. Old-fashioned ways, plus, plus. He's got the plus sign there, plus, plus, like this, plus, plus. Old-fashioned ways. And he's not too bad. He's a pretty good guy there. He's not too bad on the views, the subscribers. He got more than me. So you got to subscribe to his channel. And when you subscribe to him, subscribe to me too, because we both need subscribers. And my good buddy out there, now you won't believe this guy. If you're not watching Cooking with Chef Rich, you got to watch him. He is unbelievable. He puts out some spreads, and he knows what to do with the fruits and the vegetables. He chops those things up so cool, you wouldn't believe it.
Yeah, they look like animals.
Yeah, they look like people. He did one that looks like, no, he didn't do one that looks like me.
No.
I was going to, it might have been Maui Karen Ann. Cooking with Chef Rich, old-fashioned ways, plus, plus. Check out those guys. My good friend Vino at 60-Second Cocktails. And my good, really good buddy, Tim Kirkland. And I forgot the name of your website, Tim. The Spirit of the Cocktail. See? Deja vu. I forget things. Then I remember it afterwards. It's not really deja vu.
No, it's not.
No, it's not. But it's deja vu is better because you saw something before. Today's drink is called the Hitman's. I forgot the name of the drink.
No, that wasn't it.
Yeah, that's it.
No, it wasn't.
The Hitman's Day Off.
Oh dear, you're changing the name.
No,
okay.
no, she's right. It's not. That wasn't the name of it. What was the name of it, Karen?
I don't remember.
You don't remember either? I remember.
Okay.
It's the Tito Bandito.
There you go.
But there's no Tito's in it. First of all, I'm going to have an ounce of brandy. An ounce of brandy, if you can get it open. 1 ounce of brandy. Oh, that looks so good. 1 ounce of tequila, Patron tequila. 1 ounce of tequila. Half an ounce of lilikoi. This is Passionfruit Syrup. Passionfruit puree. It's actually lilikoi because that's what passion fruit is. Whoa! Oh, we're going to have to wash the counter. Half an ounce of that stuff. Passionfruit puree. Been using that a lot lately. Karen really loves it.
I do.
Yeah, you do.
I do.
And I got 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup. Man, I'm not together today.
I know, and you haven't even had a drink.
Well, I'm gonna have a drink. I'm getting so excited. I haven't had a drink in 2 days. I haven't drank in 2 days. That's why I'm having problems over here.
Probably.
I'm having problems remembering. This is just a dirty pour. It's a dirty pour. You know what a dirty pour is, Karen?
No.
No?
Tell me.
I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
A dirty pour is when you pour the ice in. When you pour the ice in, right from the shaker.
Ooh, perfect. That looks good.
I know how to make a good cocktail.
Don't you?
And a cherry with an umbrella on the top. And here you go. The Tito Bandito. It's good. I like it. Anyhow, don't forget to check in on Cooking with Fresh Rich and Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus. Cocktail Tony, and one more. Don't go pushing that dial. Don't go pushing that turn off button. One more special person to look out for. My camera person, Maui Karen Ann. She knows how to operate a camera, and she's pretty good with other things too.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, you're
All right.
welcome. Cocktail Tony, over and out.